set your alarm on a full set using your tag, present it to the keypad. You will then be asked if you want to arm your system, so you present the tag again, which will then start the exit timer and tone, and you can now leave the property. Set your alarm on a full set using your tag, enter your property, and the entry timer and tone will then begin. Walk to your keypad and present it, which will then unset your alarm. To part set your alarm, as some of you may call it night set, present your tag to the keypad. It will then ask you if you want to arm your system. You then press the part button, which will then say, do you want to evening arm? You then press yes to confirm you want to set this area. You can now leave the area you're in. Set your alarm on a part set using your tag, walk towards the keypad, and the entry tone and timer will then begin. Present your tag to the keypad, which will then unset your part set.